you all, my name is Ananya Dalmia and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I again have a Meesho haul for you all because you all clearly love my Meesho hauls. And in this one, I have tops and a few home decor items that I got, but I'm just going to show that in the next video, not home decor items in this one. But in this one, I will only be covering the tops that I got from Meesho, and pretty much all are under 300 rupees, not more than that. So let's get into the video. Okay, so first of all, let me just show you the tops that I've already shot, but I've not taken a full video. I got these two tops. It has like this bow thingy on it, one in white and the same one in black color. So I'm going to put a video of me wearing the top. So both of these tops are really pretty, fits me perfectly, and the aesthetic is too cute to like let go of. I really love the color as well. The fabric quality is also very decent. So I would not say कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी quality है because I think it's only for 250 rupees each. So like 250. So आपको 250 वाली quality मिलेगी. Don't expect a lot because honestly कपड़ा बहुत decent है. So yeah, that was about it. I got this one in size medium. Okay, so now let's move on to this shirt that I'm wearing currently, and I absolutely love it. Like you can see, I तो definitely love it. इसकी quality बहुत अच्छी है. I've rolled up the sleeves because बहुत गर्मी है. I have this really cute neck piece on. It has this rose detailing and just normal, just normal accessorize the outfit and it looks absolutely gorgeous. And ये ना बहुत ही ज़्यादा comfortable है. इसकी लेंथ यहाँ तक की अभी I'll show you the full outfit, but then इसकी लेंथ बस यहाँ तक की है. If you want to tuck it in, you can, but मेरे को ऐसे ही बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. And मुझे इसकी फिटिंग बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी लग रही है. It's so loose, so comfy on my body. Like अगर आपको summers के लिए shirts देख रहे हो, something even for office it will look good, even for casual wear it will look amazing. So let me just show you the full outfit. Okay, so this is the full outfit. इसकी लेंथ यहीं तक की है. आई थिंक आई लव इट. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू लेट इट लूज. एंड मेरे को टग इन करना नहीं पसंद है ऑनेस्टली समर्स में बिकॉज इट जस्ट too much. But yeah, I really love the quality, the overall fit and everything. Okay, also the price for this one is just 220 rupees. For 220, it's honestly such a steal. So yeah, that was about it. I got this one in size medium, and now let's move on to the next item. Okay, you all. So moving on to the next item, I have this shirt right over here. It's again so pretty, like summer coded to be very honest, and very comfortable as well at the same time. I'll show you guys the full outfit in a bit, but then I have styled it in the exact same manner as the previous one. Same jewelry, literally everything is the same, and it still looks really good. And I just feel like this half sleeve thing is kind of working because इतनी गर्मी में full sleeves तो मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा. So I think this sleeves looks so good, so comfortable, so breezy. Love it. And even color भी बहुत soothing है to the eyes as well. Not even like even when you wear it, you just feel very breezy because of the color as well. So I love that about it. And now let me just show you the full outfit.
Okay, so I guess I forgot to take the full outfit video, but here's how the shirt looks like. I absolutely love it, and now let's move on to the next fit.
Okay, y'all, so moving on, this is the next shirt that I wanted to show you all. It's so comfortable. Like I just feel so good in this one. The material is so soft. It's very like summer friendly, I would say. बहुत ही light fabric and it still looks so good. Like so good. Carried this bag because I feel like it just got lost in my wardrobe somehow, and now that I have it, I need to style it. I love this bag, by the way. This is from Savannah and I got this like last year. Absolutely love this bag, and it carries so much stuff, by the way. Yeah, anyways, by the way, this shirt is only for 163 rupees. That is such a steal, honestly. Like 163 for this fit. Don't walk, just run, grab it because this is so good. मतलब इसका इतना light fabric है ना कि I can just sleep in it. So you know. And yeah, that was about it. I got this one in size medium. Now let's move on to the next item. Also, this is the next shirt and I've tucked it in because open में बिल्कुल भी अच्छी नहीं लग रही थी. And to be very honest, मुझे इतनी खास भी नहीं लग रही है. मतलब इसकी quality भी सही है, but I don't know, just the pattern and everything is not the vibe, I would say. मतलब ये मीशो पे ऐसी दिख रही थी. I thought कि oversized है तो इसी cool लगेगी, but then nah, this is not it. It's very fitted एंड मतलब द क्वालिटी, मतलब फैब्रिक की क्वालिटी इज गुड. आई मीन समर्स के लिए अच्छी है, बट देन द कलर्स आर सुपर ऑफ इन दिस वन. सो yeah, I'm not really sure about this one. Decent, like a 5 on 10 I would say. So yeah, that was about it, and now let's move on to the next item. So next up we have this shirt. I absolutely love it. Like the quality and everything is so good. It fits me so perfectly. Like also the best thing is that it kind of is like this, so it gives you like a cinched waist. I don't know if you can see it, but I can definitely feel it in the mirror. Ki it, you know, sort of gives you a cinched waist, and the quality is very nice. Buttons की quality भी बहुत अच्छी है, and I just love the overall quality and the fit of this shirt. So easy breezy as well, perfect for corporate wears, college wears. So yeah, I definitely love it. And the price for this one is just 280 rupees, and I got this one in size medium. I would say just go if you're looking for some good college wear, corporate wears. I think this is a really great option. Fits you so well, and then you can tuck it in, you can like just let it loose like this one, and it still looks so great. Yeah, now let's move on to the next item. So this is the next shirt, and as pretty as it looks, like I absolutely love the whole, you know, this frill thing that's going on, that's making it very unique. And also, I mean, it's very pretty, but it's also very very tight. Like I can't even move my hands. ये बहुत ज़्यादा टाइट है यहाँ से स्पेशली. Like it's a pain to move my hands right now. So I mean, if you want to buy this, though it looks beautiful and इसका fabric quality भी बहुत अच्छा है. So if you want to buy this, I would say size up in this one. Yeah, I think इसका look भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. It's very unique. Okay, and the price for this one is 237 rupees, which is again great. So yeah, definitely size up and get if you want to. It's great. Now let's move on to the next item. Okay, also moving on to the last shirt of the day, I have this black one. And well, what do I say? The quality is amazing, the fit is amazing, but I just wished it was a little bit oversized. I mean, जिसको एकदम fitted चाहिए, just go for your size, but I would prefer a little bit oversized in blacks especially, because summers में white absorbs less energy than blacks, and if I'm wearing black color, especially कोई भी shirt हो या top हो, I just prefer whites. ज़्यादा गर्मी लगती है basically black पहनने से, so I just don't prefer this. And if I do, I'm just going to go oversized with this one. So yeah, the quality is good, the fit is good, but yeah, if you just are someone like me who likes oversized, just size up in this one. Baki everything is great in this one. And also, by the way, I got this one in just rupees 198. Yeah, 198 rupees. Everything is just a steal, to be very honest. Size up and buy this one. Okay you all, so that was about it for the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching, and stay tuned for new hauls.